Say Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Abby, what color is your hair?
Pink.
What are you going to be for Halloween?
A witch.
A witch? What kind of witch?
A green witch.
A green witch? Are you going to be a princess witch?
Yeah, princess witch.
Oh.
Your turn. It's your turn, Mama.
Well, you can go again.
Come on again.
Yeah, go crazy. Well, I didn't mean crazy like that.
Your turn.
Okay.
Whoa. Mommy, you get to go in. Your turn.
We are sharing. That's very nice of you.
You saved my pumpkin. Mommy, it's your turn.
You're not even taking any out.
I'm not taking them out. Okay. I got them out. Your turn.
Okay, I'm going to get some too now.
You're going to get some too now? And I put them in there.
Okay, your turn.
My turn. Okay, it's your turn.
Buddy! Is it my turn?
Yes, your turn.
Your turn.
My turn. Okay. Your turn. You scared me, Mommy. You scared like me.
I am.
Let me get them. Off.
Lick your hand. No, I'm kidding. Why are you spitting?
I'll take the hand in the milk.
Well, wipe your saliva off your mouth. Thank you. What color's your hand?
Red.
Is it orange? Orange like the pumpkin?
Yeah, orange like the pumpkin.
Ew.
Your turn. What color your hand?
Okay, say bye.
Bye.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.